I want to demonstrate using Gmail and Google Contacts how you can put a group of people together and send that card out. So I'm going to use one of my test accounts, Alan, our imaginary friend Alan, who has a Google account, and I click Compose. I'm going to make a new email. And in the body of it, I want to get the Christmas photo that was made in Canva. So I click on the little image, insert photo. Click there, and then upload. That photo, that card, the Christmas card that we made in Canva, is in my downloads folder on my computer. So upload, find the photo, it's in downloads, and it's this green and white. Now that is in this email. And then I can add whatever message. I can type as much as I want. It's still an email. But who am I going to send it to? I want to send it to a bunch of people. I'm in Alan's account here, and he has contacts in his Google Contacts. The Google Contacts is this little blue Head and Shoulders guy. Over here on the right, Contacts. And I'm going to open it up in a full screen. So here are all of Alan's contacts. A lot of them have emails, some of them don't. I only want to select the ones that do. I can make what's called a label. You know, other systems might call them categories or folders. Google Contacts calls it labels to make groups of people. Here's labels over here. I have only one label. If I click plus, I can make a label. I'm just going to be real short and sweet and call it Xmas, Christmas, and save. Now I click on the people that I want to be in that label. Here is the labels up at the top. I click the pencil for edit and Christmas and apply. Alice Apple is now in my Christmas group. Then I go to some more and I just select several of them. And then this is the button for label up here at the top. Just looks like a little sticky note kind of thing. And Christmas and apply. So now, what do? Back in his email, instead of putting in a bunch of email addresses, all I have to do is type Xmas. And notice it says, oh, that is a label, a group that has 6 members in it. When I click that, it fills in all of the email addresses and I can send. Here's one other little tip. You don't have to send it right now. You know, today isn't too bad, but let's say you were doing this 2 weeks ago. You want to send it on Christmas Day. On the send button, there's a down arrow and you can choose schedule. And you can pick a date and time. I'm going to say the 25th at 12:00 p.m. This is scheduled for tomorrow at 12 o'clock p.m. They will get that pretty Christmas card and whatever message was typed on Christmas Day.